Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the difference between an in-orbit anomaly and in-orbit collision. An in-orbit anomaly, or IOA, refers to any unexpected malfunction or deviation from normal operation experienced by a satellite. On the other hand, an in-orbit collision, or IOC, is a physical impact between two or more objects in space. Understanding these distinct events is crucial for maintaining the safety and sustainability of our orbital environment. In-orbit anomalies are internal issues that affect a satellite's functionality without a physical collision. These can range from minor software glitches, like a temporary data error, to significant power system failures. Environmental factors, such as high-energy radiation or solar flares, can also induce these malfunctions. An IOA might cause a temporary service disruption or, in severe cases, lead to the complete loss of a satellite, impacting critical services. In-orbit collisions, or IOC, involve the physical impact of objects in space, often at extremely high relative speeds, sometimes exceeding 12 kilometers per second. These can be between two operational satellites or a satellite and a piece of space debris. A notable example is the 2009 collision between Iridium-33 and Cosmos 2251. Such events are highly destructive, creating thousands of new debris fragments that pose a severe, long-term threat to other spacecraft. The fundamental difference is that an IOA is an internal malfunction, while an IOC is a physical impact. Preventing IOAs involves rigorous satellite design, including advanced radiation shielding and fault-tolerant systems. For IOC, prevention relies on precise space surveillance, predicting potential conjunctions, and executing avoidance maneuvers. Additionally, responsible end-of-life disposal of satellites helps mitigate the accumulation of hazardous space debris, ensuring a safer orbital environment for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.